today we are going to see how to make this cap from this double bearing assembly. For that we are going to make this sketch first. This is the top view and this is the front view. Now let's start it. First go on CATIA, select plane and then go on sketch option. After that select this option, extend it, then use this command to make one small circle. Again make sketch as shown in figure. After that sketch is already selected, so I am using this mirror command and then this axis, so it will be mirror. Now we are going to use this constraint command. See, all dimensions are given here. Now let's make it. Diameter of this circle is given as 7.5. After that distance between this line to this line is given as 70. Length of this point, length of this line is 12.5. Distance between this to this point is given as 30. And now one remaining part is we have to give constraint. Select this point with this and go on constraint and then coincide. Now our whole sketch is in green color, so it's fully constrained. Then go on exit to workbench option. After that use this pad command and given pad is of 30, but we want this plane at the center of our entity, so I am giving here 30 divided by 2 and selecting this mirror extend, so it will be 15 to this side and 15 to this side. Make preview and then OK. After that you can see, no, we want to make another sketch on this surface, so select this surface, go on this sketch option and now use this projection to make sketch simple. Select this axis now and this one also. Now take one circle command, make circle. After that dimension of given circle is 12.5 as radius, so it will be 25. After that use this trim command to trim unwanted parts, and now I deleted it because it was over constraint. It's showing us that it was over constraint. After that select all the lines by using control option and go on this mirror and select this, again I am selecting this lines and mirror option and then axis. After that exit to workbench and then use this pad command. The length is given as 5 to one side, then click on OK. After that use this mirror command and they are asking here mirroring element. We are going to mirror this element with this plane, so select this plane and then OK. Now you can see here mirror is developed on this side also. Now select this surface, then go on sketch option. Because we have to create holes, you can see here are holes, so we are going to make it. Now circle, make one circle of radius 4.5. 4.5. And now let's give distances. Distance between this to this is 7.5. 7.5. And then distance between this axis to this is given as 30. Actually it was wrong distance. Distance between wait a second, I am deleting it. Distance between this point to this is given at 7.5. 7.5. Now select this circle, use this mirror command and mirror that axis, mirror this, what we say, this circle. After that again use this mirror command and then mirror it again, circle, mirror option and then mirror it. Now I am going to make one circle of same radius 4.5. Now distance between this point to this line is 5. After that select circle, use mirror command and then select plane and then exit to workbench. You can see here the whole are till last surface. So use this pocket command and select here up to last. So they will extend till last and then OK. Now you can see here this cap is ready. Thank you so much.